to the beautiful town of Aburi in Ghana, I found a spot high up on the mountains. With a view of the entire city, Accra in the distance. This winding road route offers breathtaking scenes of nature. Many people visit Aburi to eat traditional Ghanaian cuisines, drink fresh coconuts, and palm wine. People also get together at the Aburi Botanical Gardens during weekends and holidays.
No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it.
Established in 1890, the Botanical Gardens was instrumental for supplying cocoa and rubber seedlings to local farmers in Ghana. Today, the mini rainforest at the Aburi Botanical Gardens offers you an opportunity to see all three layers of the tropical rainforest. I see it as a Jurassic Park. So when you next visit Ghana, visit Aburi.